Chill out, dude.
What's up, bro?
Chill out, bro.
Chill out.
I'm a minor.
Yeah,
And?
What?
A minor?
Yeah, he's probably already.
Alright, so we're here at Seaworth Park trying to get some flounder. Y'all stay tuned to see the results, alright? Let's go see how many people come on here during this time of the year. See how we can. He's cute, bro.
On the voodoo. On the voodoo?
First one in the morning, y'all.
Close, bro.
He's 15, dude. I'll put money on it.
I'm take this off. Or I should probably take a put a voodoo on.
No, I'm not putting no voodoo on. Oh, I got one too. Hold on.
Well, you fucking. I would have caught him. He didn't swallow it.
I'm sorry, I'm just stuck.
If I would have had the big shrimp, I wouldn't have caught him.
What'd you say?
If I would have had the big voodoo, I wouldn't have caught him.
Oh, they said the big mantis shrimp that I told you to put on.
That too.
No, you would have caught him with the voodoo.
We don't have any shrimp. No, we don't.
Well, you need to go buy some. Hold on. Right. First one in the morning on the voodoo shrimp.
15.
Right on 15.
15.
Nice fish. Good job, Flipper. I'll give it to you. That voodoo shrimp. It might be the new secret.
Go.
But until the end of the day, we'll decide what's better.
You catch another one, I'll smash.
Right. There's no way it's not fish, right? The crab doesn't move that fast.
Crab doesn't move that fast.
Potato chip.
White.
Good sign though.
Yeah. I was moving with it though.
Nice little fish, guys. Good release. I dragged it. See that? Huh? Alright guys, I'm gonna have a fish on right here. I didn't feel any thump, but I just feel weight. And it's coming off the bottom, so I'm thinking I'm snagged. Give it a few seconds and I'll set the hook. Alright, I'll cut this out.
Gonna play fish or shirt.
Alright.
What do we have on today?
Excuse me, I saw underwear, dude. I've caught underwear doing this before, dude. I've caught underwear, I've caught socks.
Underwear on beard.
I haven't caught a bra yet.
Is that your next target?
Yeah. I gotta take that one home with me. Alright, let's go. We want a snag. I'm trying to get tired, dude. I'm not gonna get this. It was moving though. I'm recording already.
Dude, right?
You still have it? I'm recording. It's not a crab. It's too fast for a crab, huh?
It's not really not
Alright. Maybe the fish I just missed. Huh?
Oh, feels good.
Nick, just toss it. He might keep. He might. You keep the way you used to. Here, I'll help you. I don't have a flash back in. I grabbed the fish for you. Yeah, you don't know. Yeah, he's too small.
Yeah, he's small. He's only small.
Look at
Put him down.
He's got some fight to him. Maybe it's fish I just missed. Oh shit, he ain't got one right now. Using your right hand?
That's two on the go.
Grab the head. Yeah. You almost got it.
It's weird when you do it like this.
I think I got one, dude. Oh, snagged.
Can you measure him real quick?
Nice flounder. Yeah, you measure him, but he's small though.
Yeah, he's
Measure.
small. 13.
14?
13 and a half.
14 with the pinch. Nice fish though. Bro, he got 20 yards.
You don't own the water, bro.
There you go.
I haven't seen you catch a single thing. I haven't seen you catch a single thing.
I'm not casting at him. I'm casting straight. I got one.
I have one right here. Yeah, like that.
I might be a crab, but
No, mine ain't like that.
there's no way both. I have fish. Either way. He might keep it.
Keep?
I think so. He's close. He's very close. You got one? You might have crab. I got it. I got it. Let me measure him real quick. Hmm?
Yeah,
15.
just
He's 15, dude. The friend, like the fork? 15.
yeah, that's 15.
Yep.
Hold it.
I can get him off the hook right now.
Yeah, no.
Open it. Oh my gosh, I'm pop him off in there.
I can come up now.
Pop him off. Wait, nice fish, yo. Wait, chartreuse?
He doesn't know. The one I had another one. The one like this. I don't know that.
So as we were walking along the bank fishing it up and down, this guy noticed that we had caught some fish right next to him, and for some reason it had upset him that we were around 40 to 50 feet away from him, and we were casting straight. We weren't even casting at him, and the whole time he was casting right in front of us, and we were having to avoid him. And it got to the point where he had casted over me, and I had started to retrieve my line so I wouldn't get tangled with him, but he reeled it out as fast as possible just so he could throw it over me and snag my line. Alright, this guy's doing it on purpose, man.
Huh?
It's intentional, dude. Listen, I'm recording. I literally reeled it. So you're childish, dude. You're childish. You're childish. Bro, we have some. Look at the space, dude.
I'm casting omnidirectional.
So where are we?
We're casting straight. Bro, it's flounder season, dude. No one gives a
Hey, there's flounder everywhere.
Oh, apparently not, because you haven't caught it.
We're gonna walk around you, dude. We're gonna stay right here.
Let him keep it tangled. Huh? He needs it. I literally took it out so I wouldn't cross the line, and he reeled it as fast as possible so he can cross my line. Alright. Let's get angry, dude.
I hope you're happy, dude.
Happy?
Yeah.
Bro,
I hope this satisfies your little inner child.
You're too close.
Bro, you're getting closer to
You're
us.
getting closer.
You know what? I can cast over.
Dog, I'm 16, bro.
Do you understand?
Do I understand? Do you understand, dude?
Do you see anybody as close as we are in this?
We were gonna go past you, but you were throwing a fit.
We literally just walking. We're gonna walk all the way over there and leave y'all alone, but you. Huh?
Yes,
well, not
you
anymore,
are.
because you're being a d. Now we're gonna you.
Fish, we threw it around.
Don't worry about it. I'm good. Don't worry.
You're a dude. Just because you can't catch fish doesn't mean you got dude. I don't know how far you drove to get out here, but go. You move around
right
here.
here. We're gonna stay right here, move around, dude. If it's such a problem, why don't you move around? That's what I don't get.
I see this.
You're new to fishing, right?
You gotta be a bass fisherman.
You ever come out here before all this? When it was people next to each other? Chill out, dude.
What's up, bro?
Chill out, bro.
Chill out.
I'm
I'm
yeah,
what?
Yeah,
What's up, bro?
Look at him.
What's up, bro?
It's not that serious. Just let him cut it.
Cut it, dude. Cut it.
Oh, we'll cut it. Oh, yeah.
I'm letting you cut it, dude. I don't know why you're fighting.
What's up, bro?
I'm literally letting you cut it. I'm not pulling. Just cut it. Don't cut it. We'll get it back.
It's off. Yeah.
I'm fishing right next to you.
Go, dude.
Go.
Good.
Even your friends telling you to go, dude. You're doing too much, dude.
I'm doing too much.
Yes, dude.
Is this your friend? Sir. No, he's not gonna claim him.
You're not gonna clean him. Oh, you can have a spot, dude. We're gonna go. Oh, you're still gonna about, but with that attitude, I'm okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm not.
What's your name, buddy?
Let's go.
You're telling me that fishermen are gonna agree with you.
Yeah,
Dude, I literally.
You've been fished this season?
Dude, I
Bro,
literally.
we're 40 feet from you. 50 feet.
I can hear y'all's conversation.
Dude, I can hear the conversation from all the way over there, dude.
From over there. Your noise echoes, dog.
Hey,
Look at this coast right
bro, by the way,
Look at this
I have.
Yes. If you have a problem, move, bro.
I was here first.
Doesn't matter.
That's
You don't own
etiquette.
it.
If you guys were here,
Bro,
We're gonna walk
alright,
around
so
you,
tell me
bro.
why.
We literally walked. You saw us walk from way over there to way over there. We're gonna do the same thing. If you would have just kept your mouth shut, we would have been gone by now.
brother, if y'all were fishing at a spot, I would not come within 50 feet of you guys.
We were literally 50 feet from you, bro.
Okay, I'm casting this way.
You were all the way
I'm
over
You
there,
can
dude.
wherever you want. You can't tell us where to go.
Is what I'm.
Dude, if you would have just kept your mouth shut, we would have been gone.
Hey, I didn't tell you where to go. I said, can y'all move around?
And we would have done that
And
if you would have just
said,
kept your mouth shut.
No, you came at me and you said, hey, oh, what'd you say? You're like, why don't you cast that way?
Yeah, it's a question. It's a question. Why couldn't you just cast that way until we move? You can cast here too, but you don't have to cast. There's a difference
bro,
between snagging our
you were intentionally dude.
I was.
Yeah, exactly.
You can cast there.
I literally went out of my way to reel it out so we wouldn't get tangled, and you cast it right on top of that.
You know what? We're gonna have to agree to disagree, man.
All right, well that's fine. We're gonna head out. You enjoy the spot.
Now you leave. Now he leaves. Now you leave. Keep walking, dude. I don't know when you come back.
What did you say?
I said now you leave. That's it.
So his point is, why'd you have to do all that
Doing all this thing, you just walk away.
just to leave?
Yeah, you were leaving.
You cut my rig and you threw it.
How old are you guys?
Huh?
I'm 16.
I'm 18.
Okay. I'm fucking 37.
Okay.
Okay.
Brother.
You're not acting like it.
We were snagging our stuff on purpose, dude. You passed there.
Dude, trust me.
Fine.
I understand how it is. I fish at the pier all the time. People cross my line. I have never done anything like that. Huh? But we're not. We weren't messing with you, dude. We did not come over.
People over there this morning. There was 10 people right in that corner.
Nobody was
People,
complaining.
then you can walk. You can't tell people where to go, dude. Like I said, we were just walking by, dude. We were probably fishing for maybe 5-10 minutes and left, and we would have been done.
Yeah. I mean, so we were gonna call it. We were gonna head over there.
Alright, man.
Where'd you put my? Did you throw my rig in the water? Or is it on the bank? It's alright. I'll just retie. It's not a problem. No, it's alright, dude. Don't worry about it. No problem, man. It's alright, dude.
That spot's legit right there. With this tide's coming in at 11, I'm telling you, you're gonna catch monsters over there.
Yeah, they were here the other day.
Well, we might come back, but I mean, we're not coming here to.
I just hate when fucking people walk up, man. I'm sorry. No, he's right. I mean, it's fucking open water, so.
I mean, I understand if we were casting right in front of you and everything, but it's not.
Like, you can pass things by.
Like we were fishing there when you were casting in front of us, and there was no problem. We didn't keep tangling with you. We were avoiding you.
Yeah, for sure.
All right.
Yeah, bless you. Have a good day.
All right, y'all. After that crazy encounter with the fisherman, then got a fish on. After leaving that spot that apparently has all the fish, and that's what he got mad for. So, like, this just proves that you don't need to be in the honey spot to catch fish. We got them at the spot, but it's whatever, man. It's not that big of a deal. That's what I said. Like, there's fish. If there's fish, they're gonna bite. It's probably this is just more. Look at that. Pretty fish. Yeah, he ate the pink gold. Yeah, I'm recording. Yeah, you want? There you go. Dude, that's the smallest one of the day. On the shrimp too.
No, my shrimp.
Man, now you can catch more.
Well, I caught the one earlier, but I didn't touch him.
You can see the angry.
Side.
You can see the angry fisherman in the background.
So he hit that pretty hard. That's what we knew about him.
Okay, let's get it for seconds. Yeah, we met him at bottom. We were catching trout.
Probably 2 nice trout.
He got him on gulp.
Yeah, he really go big, bro.
Yeah.
That's
That's how good bobber used to be,
I've
dude.
seen people do that though.
Oh yeah, you got a good fish or what? Oh yeah, he might. I don't know. No, he's not.
He's not. He's gonna be short.
He's gonna be 14.
I'm saying we should just fish this.
That's what I've been telling you. Hold him up there for the video.
Kind of beat up.
A little higher.
They're all beat up. The gate, boy.
Nice fish, y'all. Probably a 13.5 inch fish. But we're getting there. We're gonna find some more. All right, y'all. I think we got a flounder on. Doesn't feel very big, but you never know. You know, you always got.
A big flounder.
Well, dude, I feel dumb.
I thought he was pulling drag, dude.
Alright, I'm gonna have to cut the... Alright. Alright, so I was snagged, but I did have a fish on. I told you there was something on there. Potato chip, guys.